front that I filmed this unboxing with another bag at the same time. I was planning for those to be one video, but it came out really long, so I split it in two. The other one is already up, and here is this one. This bag I bought because I was curious about it. They had it in black and I think a beige, and then this color. I've been wanting to add color to my handbag collection. That's one reason that I'm venturing outside of Vuitton and the luxury brands right now. So this one I wanted to try out, and it's kind of a neutral color, but it's still a color. So let me open it up and see. This is a bag that is inspired very obviously by a luxury brand, and the original bag I've never liked. So I'm thinking probably just seeing it so much has made me interested in this. A few of you have asked me if I would ever consider this bag from the luxury brand, and I just haven't been into it at all, but let me open it up and show you what I'm talking about. So here it is. Gee, can you tell what it's inspired by? There's the front of the bag, here's the back of the bag, and here is the strap, and I will put it on my shoulder in a minute and show you. I have never tried this bag on. I've seen a couple of them. Well, I don't know if I've seen this particular one. This one's called the Bowery. Clearly it's inspired by the Hermes Evelyn bag, which is the exact same silhouette, but it has an oval with an H punched out. I'll post a picture here of one of them. The Evelyn bag doesn't have, I didn't know that had a striped. So in the picture on the website, they had this turn like this. I didn't know it had the stripe thing there. I don't like that very much. So they just have a picture of the front on the website, and it's very thin. They did not have a picture of the back. So if you're interested in this bag, here's what it looks like. It has this giant pocket. That pocket is lined with that material. It's a silk with the Henri Bendel logos on it. And then the inside is stuffed, so let me pull all that out. So now that you know what bag this is, let me talk about the Hermes Evelyn for a little bit. The Evelyn bag, though I'm from Texas, I've never been really into Western things, and I just think the Evelyn bag looks so much like a saddle bag. Just not into it. But I think that it has grown on me, and that's why I've been interested in this bag. I would not get, at least at this point, I would not get the Evelyn. I wouldn't spend that kind of money. I mean, you can get them on the Preloved market for the same price as Louis Vuitton bags, you know, under $2,000 you can find them. But I don't think I would do that because it's not a bag that I would use every day, I don't think. But I have been getting more into the crossbody bags and smaller bags, partly because of my back. I need to be carrying less weight in my bags, and having a smaller bag forces me to do that. So I've been curious about this, and I thought the blue color would be a nice neutral too. But I'm kind of regretting not getting the black. I don't know yet. I was regretting it before I saw this. This is a really pretty blue. Another thing about the Evelyn that I actually like better, and just from seeing it in person, seeing it in photos too, is the Evelyn's really slouchy. This one has structure. These sides aren't all that bendable. Like this, I can't crush at all. That's really, that I can crush, but the corners are very structured on this bag. So it's always gonna keep this shape. Whereas, I'm gonna put a picture here that I got from online. The Evelyn bags are just squishy and slouchy, and I love that look. So I won't be able to achieve that with this bag, but big deal. This bag is retailing for $250 right now, and I got it, I think 10% off is all, not very much. But usually, like I said, I wait for these things to go on sale at Henri Bendel before I buy anything from them. But the last time I tried waiting on something similar to this bag, they had one that was more of a round base instead of the squarish like the Evelyn. It sold out before it went on sale. So this one I went ahead and got it. And I can always return it if I decide I don't like it. Not that I would wear it around in public or anything. All right, so let me show you the inside of the bag. I feel like I'm just talking all over the place. I hope I'm making sense. Here's the back. It has a zipper and it looks like it has a slip pocket too. So let me open up the zipper and show you that. There's some paperwork inside. And that's just the tag for it. Oh, it retails for more than I said. It's $278. I think I got it for around $250. And there's some kind of little Henri Bendel card. Not sure if you can see that. You can pause it. And then this is an envelope that has a card inside with their brand story, which is interesting if you don't know about that. So the inside of the pocket is lined in the same fabric. I do not like this pattern. Not a fan. I wish it was a solid color. But what are you gonna do? I didn't design the bag, they didn't ask me. It has the signature Henri Bendel bow right there. And then this is a slip pocket. It is really nice on both of these bags that you have the zipper and the slip pocket. And then on the other side, you have two slip pockets. So the interiors are the same there. And then this bag does have a zipper on the top. So you can close it up just like that. And that zipped really well. Again, this zipper pull is, where is it? It's the same color as the bag on one side, but then it's the brown and white stripes on the other. I don't like that. The strap on the bag is similar to the Evelyn too. It's like a seatbelt kind of material. Can you hear the crying? That is Sebastian. He's sitting on the couch. I don't know what he wants. Baron's sitting at the door like they want to leave for some reason. Hold on, let me open the door. They're done with handbags, I guess. All right, let's put this on. I think you saw the strap. The strap's adjustable. There's a buckle in here. Again, I just don't know yet if I'm going to keep this, so I don't want to totally unwrap it. On my shoulder. And here's how it would look. I was wondering about the blue with jeans too. Tell me what you think, because I'm not good at that kind of fashion thing. Like, can I wear this blue bag with blue jeans that are almost the same color, or do I need to have khakis or white or something else on the bottom so that it contrasts? I don't know. But there is the bag on my shoulder. Again, I'm 5'3". That's how it looks on me. And the strap can be longer or shorter. Not sure if it's long enough to be crossbody. Yeah, I think it would be. So it's long enough there, and it can be made longer. So I think it's definitely long enough to be a crossbody bag, which is kind of what I was thinking for it. Do you wear it on the side, or do you wear it more in the front or on the back, or any of those? I guess any of those, huh? So there it is. Again, it's nice like the other bag that it's slim, so it doesn't stick out really far from the body, and it just stays there. The strap is really comfortable. Of course, I don't have anything in the bag right now where it would have weight to it, but so far I'm liking it. I'm a little surprised. I was thinking that I wasn't gonna like this. So I'll do a video on this too with a what's in my bag, or not what's in my bag, but a what fits. Because just like with that oversized Parker tote, the narrowness of the bag bothers me some. Or not bothers me, but it concerns me that am I gonna be able to fit the stuff in here that I want? We'll see, we'll see. All right, I guess so far I'm thinking this is a great alternative to the Evelyn if you don't want to spend that kind of money on a bag like this. I'm gonna have to figure out if I want to keep this or if I want to exchange it for the black one or just return it. I don't know yet. What do you guys think? What's your opinion? Let me know, please. I do really appreciate when you leave opinions like that, especially when I'm unsure about things like this, because y'all do help me decide. All right, well, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked the video, click the like button below. And if you want to subscribe and you haven't done that already, click that red subscribe button and click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.